Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're here for the first time, please consider subscribing and turning on your notification as I have new uploads every week. Now today I'll be showing you how to make this common delicacy in Kenya known as Sukuma Wiki or collard greens or kales. And now let's get started. So the ingredients are very simple. You need your Sukuma Wiki, or you can also add some spinach to it if you want it to be more softer as well, and tomatoes that I've already chopped, onions, salt to taste, and I'm adding beef cubes, which is completely optional. I'm just adding it for flavor because I'm not having this Sukuma Wiki with anything else, just with my ugali. And now let's start with the frying process. So heat your pot or sufuria and add some oil to it, followed by your onions, and fry them until they're translucent. Once that is done, go ahead to add in your tomatoes and add the salt or your beef cube, which is optional, to cook with all these veggies, and ensure that your tomatoes are completely cooked and broken down. So one thing that I would like to put across is that when I'm having my Sukuma Wiki with a stew on the side, I do not add tomatoes in my Sukuma Wiki. I fry it plain with salt and onions. That's just that. So if you are having a stew on the side, then you don't have to add tomatoes. I find that it makes your plate too busy or too much going on, so I do not do tomatoes when I'm having my Sukuma Wiki with some stew on the side. So once your tomatoes have completely broken down, go ahead to add in your Sukuma Wiki and fry them until they are well cooked or to your desire. And once that is done, it's time to plate your Sukuma Wiki. I added some avocado to it and it tasted absolutely delicious. I really love Sukuma Wiki. I hope you did enjoy this recipe. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well if you haven't. I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye.